So as you guys can see, the display touch is not working at all. I'm trying to swipe up or touch anywhere on the screen and it's doing absolutely nothing. It's like completely stuck. Now, first thing I tried, and you should too, is the simple restart method. Just press and hold the power button and volume down button together for about 10 seconds. It will force restart your phone. For many people, this step alone fixes the issue. The touch starts working again after the restart. But in my case, it didn't. So let's move to the next part. Now I decided to open up the back of the phone. So be careful here if you try this. I used the syrup tool to peel off the back cover gently. And yeah, once it's open, here's what the inside looks like. There are a few screws and I didn't want to open everything because that takes a lot of time. But what I noticed was the display connector strip, also called the patta. Sometimes this little strip can get loose or not connected properly, and that can make your touch stop working. So what I did was, I gently touched and adjusted that display strip a bit. You can also use a small paper or plastic tool to slightly move it or press it back in place. Don't use too much force, just light pressure. And after doing that, boom, the touch started working again. So yeah, in my case, it was just a loose display connector issue. So if your Samsung Galaxy F05 screen is not responding at all, try restarting first. If that doesn't help and you're confident enough to open the back, check the display patta connection like I showed. Sometimes a tiny adjustment is all it takes to bring your phone back to life. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video, comment if it worked for you, and subscribe for more easy phone fixes. See you guys in the next one.